Good day, Ma'am Lovely. Today, I want to introduce this image of my father. This picture reminds me of how important he is in my life and our family. My father is a very special person to me. He may not be the best, but for me, he is the perfect father in the world. My father is a hardworking man. Every day he wakes up early and makes sure that all our needs are provided. Even if he is tired, he still continues to work because he loves us. He is strong not only in his body, but also in heart. My father also a kind and caring personality. He always thinks about our safety and future before thinking about himself. Another thing about my father is that he is very responsible. At home, he helps my mother in guiding us. He teaches me and my siblings the importance of respect and honesty and discipline. He also gives advice whenever I feel confused or lost. That is why I admire him so much. Because of his hard work, we are able to eat, study, and live in comfort. Without him, our life would be more difficult. He shows us the right path to take. He corrects us when we make mistakes, but he also encourages us when we do something good. He always reminds me that education is the key to a better future, and he supports me in my studies. Most importantly, my father is a source of love and strength. Even when he is tired, he still finds time to talk us, and this makes him very important not only to me but to our whole family. The image of my father is more than just a picture. It is a symbol of love, sacrifice, and strength. My father is important because he is our provider, protector, and teacher, and I am proud to have him as my father, and I am thankful for everything he does for us. For me, a father is like a foundation of house. Without him, the house will not be strong. This is why I will always respect, love, and honor my father, because he truly deserves it. Thank you, and that is my introduction and explanation about the image of my father. Thank you, ma'am.